Hey everyone, I'm Allan Horwood from the Pool Patrol. It's been a while since we've talked. I'm coming to you from Kelowna, the beautiful sunny Okanagan. All right, 2022 was really the year of the challenge. It was difficult. It was difficult for our pool builders, for our customers. Things just weren't happening as quickly as I think we all would have liked them to happen. Because of the delays of the industry in general, it pushed us behind as well. So a lot of pool builders ordered covers, a lot of customers ordered covers, and we were trying to get them done. But that was a challenging thing for us. The other thing that happened in 2022 was, of course, price increases. All across the board, prices were going up everywhere you look, not just in the pool industry, gasoline, interest rates, food costs, raw material costs. It was right across the board, and we were obviously affected by it. In a lot of cases, that was just raising our prices to stay in business. And I think the consumers got that message towards the end of the year and they understood, which was great. Another big factor in 2022 was the labor shortage. Everybody knows about the labor shortage. Where did everybody go? What happened? But here at the Pool Patrol, we managed to keep all of our staff through the COVID situation. Same guys that have been with me for years. We're a solidly staffed company. We're not getting seasonal workers. We've been very, very blessed to have the same guys year after year come back. Something else that we're doing at the Pool Patrol that I'm really proud of, we work very closely with our manufacturer of our automatic pool covers to make sure we have product. Here at our Kelowna warehouse, we have 4,000 square feet of automatic pool cover product, ready to roll, ready to assemble, and ready to supply our consumers and our builders. There's lots of talk in the industry about what's going to happen in 2023. I think the swimming pool market's healthy, I think it's strong, and I think it's here to stay. I don't think these pools are going anywhere, and I think people want swimming pools. So I think we're going to see a continued high level, a high volume throughout 2023. We're ready for it, we anticipate it. I don't think it's going to be out of control growth like we've seen, more of a controlled growth, which is exciting for us. It's a little bit more predictable than things were. I think people have adjusted to the new pricing. People have adjusted to how things are maybe not operating as smoothly as they would have liked. But here at the Pool Patrol, we're confident we're going to bridge any gaps in your process of getting your automatic cover and making sure that we're ready for you. So communication is really the key, isn't it? Let us know what's happening. Let us know if you're considering an auto cover. And when you make your decision, let us know how quickly you want it, because we want to be there for you early in the season, try to meet all of your expectations, meet your timelines. So we're encouraging people to say, listen, if you're deciding on a pool or deciding on an auto cover, let our office know as soon as possible. Email, text, phone call it in, tell us what you need, and we'll make it happen for you earlier rather than later.